If you are also a pet lover and you have the Labrador Retriever puppy that is 3 months old or any age, how you can simply treat it or how you can train a Labrador puppy just to give him manners or everything you have to train it. To do this, as you can see Labrador Retriever growth charts. So firstly, you can review this chart, and after this, you can simply search on the internet about the private dog trainers. Yes, that is the best option because you are not also an expert that you can teach your dog, you can treat your dog, or you can simply give a training to your dog. So you can hire a private trainer, and you can also do it with you. Simply open the YouTube and search for the videos about how to train a dog, or you can refer an article or anything or any trainer, and they will tell you that how you can simply understand the physical mechanics of dogs and their mental level. After this, you will be clear that how you should treat them and how you should train them. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.